Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. With the main bulk of the work going on at the moment and the railway line being closed, I'm going to be doing more regular videos like every few days, all being well, weather permitting. If you saw my previous video, you'll see that the bridge had been completely taken out, the beams were missing, etc. So I'm going to show you some progress that they made since the video was filmed 2 days ago. This is actually 3 times zoomed in on the drone. I'm not actually this close to the project. This is the northbound stroke inbound to Manchester line. You can see it's completely covered to protect the tracks. Got various materials out. And this is looking at the southbound track. Now, the main difference I've noticed here is the wall that was in the centre of the picture now. On my last video, it was actually just started to being cut up, cut into sections, lifted out by the crane and loaded onto trucks for disposal. And that's completely gone now. I'm assuming that's the base of the bridge. Then just an overview of the project going southbound from the train station. Those of you who are local to Stockport will be familiar with this site while the project's going on. But I just thought I'd film the cranes from a distance because I've got subscribers all over, I've even got subscribers over in the United States. So it's nice to see what domination these cranes have at the skyline while the project is going on. And that's it for this video. I will be keeping an eye on the project like I said earlier on in this video, so if you can like, subscribe and share, I'd really appreciate it, and I'll catch you again in the next one. Thanks.